I was. Well, I am, but I've had a cup of tea now, so I'm going to be all good again soon. Oh, it's pretty big, isn't it? I think it's like 12 foot by 12 by 6, or is it 9 by 6? Might be 9 by 6. It was in sale. It was like 75 quid from TikTok shop. Mint. Proper done the job, it has. Ruby's having a tea now, look. I've clipped Ruby today, can you tell?
No, you.
She's shorter. I did Ralph and Bonnie as well. I've been a busy girl. Oh, babes.
Soft play people.
We've got a soft play, we've got loads. Nick, I know what we need, what we haven't got. Trampoline park.
We're getting one of them soon, aren't we? Like a bouncy thing, aren't we?
No, that's a bouncy place, that's not a trampoline park. You have to either travel to Scunthorpe or Lincoln. So there you go, go and get yourself a big massive warehouse.
You love the place, thanks. I mean, it's makes you look a bit chunky, look. It like all sits like that. I mean, I've got a little belly, but it does make you look a bit chunky, doesn't it?
I've heard those businesses are up and down.
No, I disagree. Up and
You
down.
hate your job? Why? What's your job? Here she is, I am. What are you lot on about?
I didn't get it to start with.
It's Frody, mate, because he hasn't made many jokes, has he? It's not on his usual time.
I'm in the garden.
The gym in Stafford.
I'm in my garden. That's my garage.
I think I know who it is as well. It's anonymous, isn't it? Yeah.
That's my garage.
Who's up for a gym in Stafford? It keeps going on.
And that's my garden,
Just
look.
keeps asking.
Me
Who's
pool.
up for a yeah, you've already done this once.
I actually definitely. See, you're rude.
What game is that?
Yeah,
Thanks,
trampoline
Wayne.
park. Tell ya, you make me. We don't have anything like that around here.
Thanks,
What is
Wayne.
it? Well, yeah, everything is. Every business is. You need a big warehouse.
Hey, how are you?
Work for you. Yeah.
So, anyway,
Do you want another business venture? Is that what you're getting itchy feet?
I want to make money.
can I see your husband? No. He's got no top on at the minute. He's sat with my friend on the swing. The egg chair.
They're taken out there. One's an
He's got a burn back too.
What, it's that tackling
I
shop?
only got a little bit of sun today, didn't I? Not too much.
No, next to Aldi on Scaffer Top.
So I'll be alright to get some more
There's a
tomorrow.
shop there, of all places.
I use sun cream. Whenever I use sun cream, I never get any
Oh,
colour.
really? It's always busy. It's always
Well, I think he might have fallen asleep earlier when I was
Every time I go shopping.
putting the dog's
Yeah, to be
hair
fair,
over
Chris,
them.
yeah.
When I was growing up,
I only put 15 on,
this was up where I live called Sparks. It was like.
but it seems to stop me getting any colour. Hello, how are you?
Sienna's still got Olivia.